In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove denied items/listings on Facebook Marketplace. If one of your Marketplace posts was rejected and you want to clear it out of your account, I'll walk you through the exact taps to find it and delete it, plus a few helpful tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date so the buttons look the same as what you see here. On the home screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines. That opens the main menu where all Facebook features live. From that menu, tap Marketplace to switch into the buying and selling area. Once you're in Marketplace, you may see a feed of items. Tap any sample item if you need to enter the Marketplace view. This simply gets you into the section where your selling tools are available. In the top right area of the Marketplace screen, tap your profile icon. This takes you to your personal Marketplace hub. Next, tap your listings. This is where Facebook keeps everything you're selling, including items that were approved, sold, or denied. Scroll through your listings and look for the one marked as denied. Facebook typically labels it clearly, and there may be a short note explaining the policy reason. When you've located the denied listing you want to remove, tap the three dots next to that listing to open its actions menu. From the options that appear, tap Delete Listing. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The denied item will be removed from your list and it will no longer appear in your Marketplace inventory. A quick heads up before you move on, deleting a denied listing is permanent for that post. If you plan to try again, consider saving your photos and description first so you can create a fresh listing later. It also helps to review Facebook's commerce policies and make sure your item category, photos, and wording follow the rules. Clear photos, accurate descriptions, and selecting the correct category can prevent future denials. That's it. Open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, access your profile, open your listings, find the denied item, tap the three dots, and delete it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Marketplace listings quickly and confidently.